if you can't communicate with both sides, boom, conflict.
Conflict yan, mag-aaway. For those na working students, like, what's your motivation to actually finish school? Kasi merong iba dyan na sobrang ganda na ng opportunity na ginagawa nila.
Me personally, kaundangon ako ba? I'm a man of my word. And ang reason talaga na hindi pa ako nag-give up on my educational in MMA is because I've made a promise with my tita who's been providing me since high school din. She's helping me with my tuition fees. Na, Kian, graduate ka, Kian. So yun, in my mind na she invested a lot on me. And I don't want to disappoint her because my intention with life or the things that I want to become, di na ni-required na maging may diploma.
Filipinos, we tend to na, kailangan mo tapusin yung degree mo, tapusin mo yung school mo because you need to work.
Hindi naman sila masama dahil naging busy sila. No, because if you're gonna juggle a lot of things, you're gonna be on the same boat. Like, you're gonna be too busy, right?
Welcome to another episode of the Press Play Podcast. So today, meron tayong special guest here. He's a very important part of our new project or pretty much our new community.
Yeah.
Diba? And he has given us a lot of insights, especially sa, generation ngayon, which is very important because now we know that a lot of people need to work with this generation, guys. So if business owner ka or meron kang mga tao or you work with these types of mga kids. Kids pa ba sila, bro?
Ka-age lang naman kami.
But yes, we're gonna introduce this person to you guys. Pero most importantly, I just want to we have Izu here as our substitute host because Kiko is doing daddy duties at the moment. So, hindi siya maka-attend ngayon. But, meron pa rin. Remember, this is a very smart man, very amazing person.
Bringing out the daddy in me.
There you go. Daddy.
Just excited to be hosting.
Yeah.
First hosting experience for a podcast.
Yeah, perfect. So, without any further adu, let us introduce to you our guest, Keanu.
So, hello everyone. My name is Keanu.
Nag-block ako sa last name, by the way.
So, hello everyone. Ako si Keanu. And isa akong video editor and a student and double MMA. Kasi multimedia arts, pati mixed martial arts.
Wow.
So,
maging dito. Ba't ako nasa gitna?
Buffer.
So, I've been a video editor for 4 years now and I've worked with several agencies as well. Dami din ng clients, both local and international. And also, third-year student ako in Mapua, which is Mindanao, Malayan, multimedia arts. And while working as well, tapos mixed martial artist din ako. So, I'm doing a lot of things right now.
Ganun karami ginagawa mo ngayon, Keanu, right? So, that's pretty awesome, especially for their, because you know that they're actually working hard.
Yeah.
Despite sa mga sinasabi ng mga older generations that they're lazy, okay? I don't think that's real.
Hashtag kinaya ni Keanu.
Yes.
Marami niyang ginawa.
So, that just goes to show na si Keanu is actually a working student.
Yeah.
Right? So, tell us what's your experience so far with school, having to manage your work in school.
Damn. Actually, I think, especially last term, I think I'm doing well. Pero once I've taken, overload sa subjects, damn. Ma-humble ka talaga sa life because you get to appreciate na time is very limited. And having the opportunity na makita mo mga opportunities maglapag sa iyo, but at the same time you can't accept it because you are limited by the time you have in school. Grabe siya ka-humbling na experience for me. Magandang opportunity to pero balik ka doon sa research mo. Parang ganun na experience. So it's very humbling na ma-realize mo na ganito pala. Grabe kahirap. Especially believe talaga ako sa mga working students kasi makita ko na grabe, kahit gaano kahirap ang school, they find ways pa rin to generate skills, generate income, provide value sa company na gina-work on nila, or provide value to their family as well. Kasi, especially sa akin, although working student ako, nag-provide din ako sa family ko, nag-give, nag-tulong sa bills. So, malaki din siya na factor. Kasi grabe kahirap mag-balance both school and work. Kasi, especially, mayroong cases na, especially the other day na, mag-shoot kami with the client. Then, may time frame na kailangan ko mag-present sa school. So, I remember, like, pagka 2, akbo ako sa school. So, biyahe. Then, present ako. So, like, I need to do this, do that. Then, afterwards, balik sa shoot. Then, afterwards, meron na namang time frame kasi may night class. So, I need to go there, balik na naman sa shoot. And grabe siya ka-tiring and mentally draining for me. So, like, masabi ko talaga, if working student ka, need mo, like, structure on, like, no, alam mo din kung saan ka mag-say no and say yes on the opportunity you will receive. Because if may something na opportunity dadating sa'yo tapos hindi ka pa ready, most likely kukunin yun balik sa'yo kahit i-accept mo pa yun.
Because you can't go full out. Hindi ka pa rin maka-operate properly, right? How about you, Dred? Ano ba? Were you also a working student?
Yes, I was a working student actually. So, experience ko, this was in college rin. Parang matanda na ako.
Walang age reveal in this episode.
20X.
Yes.
Diba? So, yeah, working student. I was doing my college work full-time talaga. So, workload is basically full units talaga. From time to time, actually, I added more units pa nga eh. And then after that, I also went to work dun sa campus lang naman. So, which is, manageable. Pero at the same time, I was also running my business at that point already. So, I was doing 3 things at the same time. So, tama yung sabi ni Keanu na, when you're actually a working student, you have to create structure with your life, especially time management mo, relationship management. Most importantly, yung schoolwork mo, yung workload. Luckily naman sa amin, because I did graduate sa US, you are able to structure your schedule the way you want it. So, ang technique ko noon, since I had the freedom, ginawa ko, whenever I go sa, dun sa portal namin, like, when we're enrolling for classes, is that, hanapin ko yung mga requirements ko. Let's just say Math 101 or 103. Ano maganda na schedule dito? Merong 2 classes. Ang isa is 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. And then ang isa is 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. You know what? I'll pick the 6 a.m. And then, lahat ng mga classes ko for that semester, I just put it on one day. So, just Tuesday or Thursday. That's it. So, meaning Monday, Wednesday, and then Friday, I'm all free to either work on my business or work doon sa campus job ko. So, I made it work that way. Lucky, I feel blessed na yun yung nangyari sa akin.
Kaya mong i-set up that way.
Actually,
right?
I could maganda na structure yun kasi you can fully commit to what's coming. Like, for example, Tuesday, non-negotiable, bawal ako na mag-work dito.
Pretty much.
Okay, I've experienced na, for example, may class ako 3 p.m. Tapos may shoot din ako 3 p.m. So yan, grabe siya ka-stress. So sometimes I find ways, like for example, like my things na need ko mag-attend dito. Pero need ko din mag-work dito. So parang,
how do you weigh?
Yeah.
Like, okay, I'm gonna work. Or I'm gonna go to school. So basically, on how I weigh things is like, for example, itong shoot. If think ko na medyo important siya, so ginabalance ko na parang, kailangan ako dito na shoot kasi ako ang needed lang. Or if dito din is needed ako, like for example, yung presentation. So, paminsan, nag-renego ako with my other shoots as well. Renego with the client. Kasi renego is important skill din if working student ka. Kasi, although you want to full out on things, life will hit you hard na, Kian, may gawin ka dito. So, need mo to i-sacrifice. So, yun, renego. So, renego talaga, not only sa work, but also in school as well. Kasi, suki na ako sa mga teachers ko na, ma'am, pwede pa renego ko, ma'am. Kasi, namo ko i-shoot, ma'am. And thankfully, mga teachers din sa Mapo is very understanding. And, although I submit on time talaga kasi, unfair din sa ibang students na So, ma'am, renego ako, ma'am. Di ako maka-attend, ma'am. Pero, I will work on the activities remaining and I will submit it on time. So, yun. Kaya, for me, to balance things is meron ka talagang good base of work ethic and renego skills, like the way you talk. Kasi, if you can't communicate with both sides, boom, conflict. Conflict yan, mag-aaway. Ako naman, when I was in college, hindi ako working student. But I've experienced mga classmate ko dyan in University of the Immaculate Conception. Hello?
UICians.
UICians.
Praised be Jesus and Mary.
Muslim ako.
Ay, hindi pala pwede.
Ayun
may magre-respond
Yes,
sa
yes,
comments, you know. Praise
Guys,
be Jesus and
yan.
Mary.
Respond. Ayun.
Neighbors pala tayo.
I've experienced selling, no,
Mm.
magbenta ng mga pagkain. Because that was my habit when I was in high school.
Mm.
And during first year college, tapos may gustong biling phone and all, nagbebenta ko ng mga juice, no? So, ako may cooler akong dala parate. So, malamig parati yung juice namin.
Hustler.
Yeah. Hustle culture. Stick 3 pesos.
Munchkins. Namaligya ka
Wala.
munchkins. Wala munchkins.
Ayaw ko magbenta ng ako ang gumagawa.
Okay.
Yeah, but
sige.
I have so much respect for those who actually give services or nagbebenta ng mga sila talaga nag-effort. No, what I've learned in my experience lang is I agree with having the proper ethics, right? Kasi napagalitan ako dahil nagbebenta ako.
No solicitation.
Kasi wala sa oras. Nag-quiz. Gusto mo juice?
tapos go grow month pala ba? Tapos nagbenta ka ng mga chichiri sa school.
Yes. Grabe, I agree with that kasi it's not just about the ethics of you're doing two things at once, but it's actually the discipline on doing it, right? And it's also a matter of what's your intention with how you show up as a student and as someone who gives services. Now, this is a question na in the back of my head pa talaga. For those na working students, like, what's your motivation to actually finish school? Kasi merong iba dyan na sobrang ganda na ng opportunity na ginagawa nila, right? And they're still continuing to finish school. Now, for those na nagtatrabaho na medyo hesitant na ako ipagpapatuloy or hindi, I think this could be your answer. No? So, kasi nagpapatuloy pa to.
I have my thoughts on it. Pero let's start with this guy.
For me, there's two things kasi. Me personally, kaundangon ako ba? Kaundangon agad ko. Why? But here's the thing. Why? Because my intention with life or the things that I want to become in the future is not, di na required na maging may diploma. Compare sa like, for example, like, gusto mo maging nursing, or like, you want to become a doctor, or you want to become an engineer, lawyer ba? Of course, you need to have a degree. You have to show diploma as well. But for me, gusto ko maging CEO ng agency, or like, gusto ko maging life coach, and to help or add value to the people and make the Philippines first world country as well. So
tulungan natin si Keanu.
And gusto ko din maging advocate for like Gen Z na helping each other ba. Kasi I want to prove the older generation din na we also want to give value. Ay!
On that side.
But here's the thing. I don't want to have like generational battles. I want to collab. Let's collab, guys. We don't need to fight na sino yung better generation, sino yung best, sino yung mas strong, sino yung mas weak. No, we should help each other because yan yung collaboration na maka-make og difference rather than just comparing each other for the sake of like, we're better. No. Tapos yun, for me, kaundangon yun ko. Like, lami na kayo undang, like, daghan kay opportunities for me recently na kanang, wait yan. Naku yan, no? Kyan, kita na, like, for example, there is merong mga agency na nag-contact na sa akin na, Kyan, we need your skills, like, we love your portfolio, we love your work ethic, we love your turnarounds, mga ganun. But, di ko mag-grab, kasi, you know, their school. Oh. And, ganito kasi is like, I'm a man of my word, and ang reason talaga na hindi ako nag-undang ng school, or hindi pa ako nag-give up on my educational in MMA, is because I've made a promise with my tita, who's been providing me since high school din. Like she's helping me with my tuition fees. Na Kian, graduate ka Kian. So yun, in my mind na she invested a lot on me, and I don't want to disappoint her in a sense na parang tita, ay mag-undang na akong eskwela. Kanya like all the payments na gigasto niya parang ayaw ko ma-feel niya na ma-waste ba. So me personally, gusto naging kumundang. Pero because of my word for it na, tita, promise, mag-graduate gid ko. Humanon gid ako. So, motto, like, in my mind, motto motivational ako to fulfill my promise. Yeah, I mean, dili gid siya align for my, like, my path or my intention with life. Pero, I've made the promise kasi. And I won't break it because dami ng investment ng tita ko with me. So, it's my way of saying thanks to her as well.
Tama.
Hashtag kinaya ni Keanu dahil kay tita.
Meron na
Salamat.
extra.
Pwede ba
tita.
i-shoutout si tita?
Shoutout si tita.
Thank you, Tita Merly.
Ay, grabe.
Comment ka naman dyan, tita.
I know. Proud ka ba? Di ba? For me naman, like, motivation, right? You're asking about motivation. It's simple for me. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it. It's money, pride, and
Yes.
ego. Okay?
Kendrick Lamar.
Dire-diretso.
Yeah. Money first, and obviously, kasi, di ba, like, Filipinos, we tend to you're, kailangan mo tapusin yung degree mo, tapusin mo yung school mo because you need to work.
Mm-mm.
Easy. Pride naman is because I was technically talaga or literally going to be the first one sa family namin who will graduate abroad.
Flex.
Yeah, flex. Diba? And then ego as well, siguro, naman, I guess they're both the same, but I'll just add na I can finish it even with business and then doing part-time.
Yeah. I understand. Like, parang merong part doon na parang nag-validate sa'yo na,
Yeah.
I'm better, pero not in a sense na,
Hindi na narcissistic na way, but
narcissistic way.
it's
Pero
just like, I
like,
want
I can
to
do
feel
this.
it na ganun.
like
I can-
internally instead of externally or like projecting
I mean, like, no one's gonna know na nag-graduate ako to some degree. Like, nobody's going to validate rin naman na, unless na lang, you know, I tell them na,
more like self-fulfillment.
Self-fulfillment.
Internal
Let's reward it.
accomplishment.
Self-fulfillment.
Self-fulfillment.
Yeah, that.
Agree ako dyan. Yeah, because I graduated in a course that I liked.
You liked.
Like, not love. No? Gusto ko yung course ko because I actually journeyed my college years with some of my close friends. No? And they're also on their own path right now. No, some going to med school, some already working abroad, some got into a different path. And I'm just happy na I graduated with the intention na, okay, I just want to finish this because first, like you, I want to give respect to the ones who supported me, my parents, my mom and my dad. And at the same time, it's also respect to my own efforts that I kept showing up day after day after day. No? Nagbenta ako, yes, pero nag-aral rin ako ng mabuti.
Yes.
Because
Perfect.
those close friends of mine, Pia, Jenny, and I think you know them. They're from UIC. Pia, Jenny, Daniel, and Mesh.
Who are they?
UICians. Parang nag-promise kami when we enrolled.
Comment.
Nag-promise kami when we enrolled na let's graduate with Latin honors. Ganon. Dapat Latin honors tayong gagraduate. And we did. Right? We did. It was an accomplishment na fulfilling because we kept our word. No? And our hard work really paid off. And after that, yun, kanya-kanya. I practice my own profession because ayokong sayangin. But at some point, I just gave myself time na, okay, I'm gonna practice my profession in this X number of years. After that, I'm gonna pursue what I really want. Right. That's why right now, I'm in the sales business or in the coaching business kasi yun yung gusto kong gawin talaga. True. Helping build other people. No, help them create also the dreams that they want to create. Hindi ko yun magagawa kung patusok-tusok lang ako na maugat nila. But UIC is the best. MedTech.
Nag-promote ng program
Best school. If you really want to pursue medical, it's a great course, guys. But if you want to pursue life, pursue it after college. So let's get back to working while studying. Ito, what was the motivation behind, or how did it feel on the first time yung first time mong nagka-work while you were schooling?
Grabe siya parang parang new. It's very new for me, especially like you have to really submit deadlines because I was a student before na hindi nagsasubmit ng deadlines. Like, I tend to submit outputs sa school na delay, late, because hindi ako achiever. I know I can be achiever, but I choose to be not because hindi ako interested talaga sa school. Like, all my life, feel ko na parang ang school for me is like hadlang sa gusto kong gawin. Pero pag dating ko sa working, tapos nag-school na ako, is na-realize ko na important pala
submitting
On time.
on time kasi it will reflect on you. So, dun, na-realize ko na, malaki palang factor. So, yun, parang very new siya for me na nakadevelop ng work ethic. So, from someone na tends to submit 1 week delayed, 3 days delayed, I will submit on time na. Even one week earlier. Which is, nag-reflect siya for me sa work ko and it will nag-help siya sa akin to develop my work ethics as well.
Na-realize ko rin about school talaga is like, okay, it's not the end-all, be-all
Yes.
solution for everything. You know, yes, back then siguro sa parents natin is like, that was the solution that they know of.
Yes.
That's why yun yung sinuggest nila rin na path natin. Because
Yeah.
that was the only thing they knew.
You really can't blame them as
Yeah,
well.
you can't blame them as well. Now, pagdating naman sa like for example, yung learnings ko dun sa school talaga mismo is that it really provided you structure and then discipline kasi.
Yes. Oh, totoo.
You know,
Like, you need to go to school 7 a.m.
correct, yeah.
Pero,
Wala.
It's
Lupang
very-
hinirang.
Lupang hinirang.
Pag hinirang, I
Kabayan.
know,
Oh.
everything, right?
Oh.
So, going dun sa like, what the feeling was, you know, first time mong makapag-work while you're doing
Oh.
school, it is overwhelming.
totoo.
Very overwhelming. Pero over time, the more you do it, and then you start to figure out structure kasi in your life.
Totoo.
In your life, not just in school and then sa work mo, but in your life as well.
Personal life. Yeah.
Personal mo, especially relationships.
Yes.
Because, yes, we're talking about work. We're talking about school. Those things are very rigid.
Rigid, yeah.
You know, na parang it's set. Gagawin mo to, ito. And then after that, you time in, time out, submit deadlines here, submit deadlines there. Pero pagdating sa relationships mo, it's everywhere.
It's
Yeah.
everywhere.
Lalo na when you're facing like, you know, you have your work in your school, paano na yung relationships mo sa buhay?
Yeah.
You are going to forget about it.
Yes.
Ganun nangyari sa akin. I've forgotten them, like, even if like, you know, especially like, I'm not even considered OFW. Ano ba ako? OSW, overseas student worker. Diba? I don't know.
Uy, may new term na tayo for that.
Yeah, di ba? So, even though nagganon yung status ko, I end up like not thinking too much about my parents, yung mga kapatid ko, because I was so focused and absorbed sa sarili kong achievement that I forgot to check in on them. You know? So, overwhelming na nga sa work. Overwhelming pa yung relationships once it actually, kumbaga parang aabot na sa point na parang you've ano bang term, like you've forgotten them, na parang nakalimutan na, and then meron siguro mga issues na hindi pa
bugs.
nag-surface siya. Yun yung sabi ko. So, yeah.
And I think it's gonna be a normal thing for those who's really working and studying at the same time, because it's so much in their hands that what was something in the very first place originally, like their family, yan yung napapalitan.
Correct.
No, because hindi naman sila masama dahil naging busy sila. No, because if you're gonna juggle a lot of things, you're gonna be on the same boat. Like, you're gonna be too busy, right? But if you put in like the motivation na, okay, that's why I'm studying and that's why I'm working at the same time. It's because of them actually, for me to have that time with them, for me to actually succeed, para I can be free to really spend time with them. It's another context na naman. Kasi may iba rin na they really just want to grind.
Yeah.
They really just want to work because of money, and like
Correct.
earn. And if that's their motivation, then so be it. They're not bad people.
Exactly.
No? They're not bad people. But time will come that they will remember na, okay, there are far more important things.
Tama.
No? Parang, ano nga yung bagong trend ngayon? Yung, I forgot, this was the whole point ng mga video. Tapos yung mga simple lang na mga bagay, like kumakain with their family, going to trips with their family. And it's the same thing for us.
Yeah.
You know, just want to admire how you're still studying.
Yeah, it's something na commendable talaga.
Commendable talaga. I highly
Yeah.
respect not just you but all of the other working students out
workers.
there, because I know a lot of people na they were working students. Like, I experienced them as a working student, like a teacher assistant, and then I also experienced them become a teacher. Like, ang gandang transition nun, na what I learned from them was really the whole process was the whole learning experience for them.
Nice.
They became great teachers because they were able to experience working and studying at the same time. So, more empathetic na sila sa mga sa students na busy rin. Like, 'di ba? So, it's something talaga na the process is the learning itself. And for you, what's the whole point and what's like your main learning right now with being a working student?
What's keeping you for what's
Tama pala,
what
no?
keeps you to press play?
Okay, first time mo.
First time mo.
Hindi, tama
Pero
rin.
aligned
Tama,
din,
aligned yun, di ba?
Aligned pa
What-
rin.
What
Yeah.
keeps
Pero-
you on pressing play ba?
I would like to to continue na I would like to add yung same sa'yo na you tend to forget about relationships. Actually, my 1 year talaga na I didn't contact my family, my friends. And after nun, like I was grinding like grabe, portfolio, grind to work, school. That was my routine every day. That I tend to forget self-care, my relationship with my friends and family, to the point na parang na-realize ko lang lately na hala, I miss a lot. Not only from my like family ko na nagabanding na sila, like makita ko bahala ang tanda na ng mga pinsan ko, like mga like younger ones na pinsan ko before, like hala, ang laki na nila. So parang may realization mo na, oh, dahil pala sa ganitong opportunity, dahil pala sa ganitong path na gitake ko, may naiwan pala akong mga friends and people na I used to hang out with, I used to bond with. So grabe siya ka parang grabe ang awareness na parang you need to balance things out pala. So to continue the press play, like the question na
Why do you keep on pressing play?
so
As a working student na pinagsasabay mo pa rin until now.
so I keep on pressing play because for me integrity matters the most. And also I keep pressing play because I want to add value not to myself but also the people around me, and the value na I want to provide them is that you can make a difference kahit may mga obstacles. Just make sure to know that you have a clear intention with your mind and you have a goal that you want to reach. And I want to make a difference, and I want to give a message to the all like I want to give a message to the working students na hang on there lang kay kung makagraduate ka, for sure hanay na yung kinabuhi. I'm not sure na hanay yung kinabuhi, pero mas hanay na siya. So hold on lang. Gunit lang ta.
Basically, yung meme ng pusa.
Oo.
Hang down. But yeah, thank you so much, Keanu, for sharing that. We love your answer talaga, bro. Like I said, commendable masyado yung experience mo and all the experiences that you've had. Hopefully, everybody who's watching can learn something from our student worker here, our working student. And if you feel like this content or this episode actually resonated with you, please like, share, and comment. Share na with somebody else na who's working na student. So yun lang, guys. Until next time, keep on pressing play.
Play.